You don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a single day of experience. People are earning 4 and 5 figures every single month on YouTube, and most of them are never on screen. The ones who figured this out early are quietly collecting ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and sponsorship checks, while everyone else is still overthinking it. Here is exactly how they do it. Let's start with something most people get completely wrong. They think YouTube success is about personality or talent or having a great on-camera presence. It is not. YouTube is a search engine, the second biggest search engine in the world, right behind Google. People go there looking for answers. If your channel provides those answers consistently, the algorithm rewards you. It does not care what you look like. It does not care if you have ever made a video before. It cares about watch time, clicks, and consistency. That is it. So the first thing you need to do is pick a niche that has two qualities: high search volume and high advertiser value. These two things together are what create real income. A channel with 10,000 subscribers in the right niche can out-earn a channel with 500,000 subscribers in the wrong one. Finance, health, software tutorials, real estate, AI tools, and business are all niches where advertisers pay between $10 and $30 per thousand views. That is called CPM. Compare that to something like gaming or entertainment, where CPM can drop as low as $2 or $3. The niche decision alone can multiply your revenue by 5 to 10 times before you ever hit record. Once you have your niche, the next step is research. This is where AI changes everything. Go to YouTube and search your niche topic. Look at the videos with the most views from the last 6 to 12 months. Write down the top 10. These are your proof of concept. People already want this content. Now, open ChatGPT and give it those titles. Ask it to generate 20 video ideas in the same niche targeting similar keywords. Then ask it to rank those ideas by estimated search volume and commercial value. In about 3 minutes, you have a full content calendar that would have taken a professional researcher days to build. Now let's talk about the script. This is where most beginners think they need to be a writer. You do not. A good AI prompt does most of the heavy lifting. Here is a framework that works. Tell ChatGPT the topic, the target audience, the video length, and the tone. Ask it to write a script that opens with a curiosity hook, delivers value in numbered steps with specific examples, and closes with a call to action. Then edit it. Add your own voice, swap in current numbers, cut anything that sounds robotic. The AI gives you the skeleton. You add the muscle. Most finished scripts take 20 to 30 minutes to go from blank page to ready to record. Here is where it gets interesting. Recording. Except, you are not recording anything. You are generating. This is the step that turns a document into a YouTube video without you ever touching a microphone. ElevenLabs is the tool that makes this possible, and it is genuinely the best text-to-speech platform available right now. You paste in your script, choose from over 120 AI voices, and it produces audio that sounds like a real human being recorded in a professional studio. Not robotic, not synthetic sounding, actual natural speech with proper pacing, emotion, and tone. Channels using ElevenLabs voices are getting millions of views. Viewers rarely even notice the voice is AI generated. The quality is that good. And when you consider that a professional voiceover artist might charge $200 to $500 per video, generating that same quality audio for a few dollars changes the entire business model. Now, here is something that surprises almost everyone when they first hear it. The channels making the most money on YouTube with AI are not the ones with the best production quality. They are the ones with the best thumbnails and titles. Study after study of YouTube analytics shows that click-through rate, which is how often someone clicks your video after seeing it, has more impact on revenue than video quality. A plain screencast video with a great thumbnail will out-earn a beautifully produced video with a weak one every single time. Spend real time on your thumbnail. Use Canva, use Midjourney for images, use bold text, high contrast colors, and a clear visual promise. This is not optional. This is your most important asset outside of the content itself. For the video itself, you have a few simple options. If your niche is educational or tutorial-based, screen recordings work perfectly. Record your screen walking through a process while your ElevenLabs voiceover plays. If your niche is more visual or documentary style, use stock footage from sites like Pexels or Storyblocks, or generate your own visuals using AI tools like Runway or ElevenLabs. Combine that footage with your AI audio in a simple editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, add captions, and you have a finished video. Start to finish, once you have your workflow dialed in, this process takes about 3 to 4 hours per video. Let's talk about the money. Here is a realistic breakdown of what you can expect at different stages. In month 1 through 3, you are building, no monetization yet. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Post at least one video per week. Some channels hit this in 60 days in the right niche with good SEO. Once you are monetized, a channel averaging 50,000 views per month in a finance or business niche can expect between $500 and $1,500 per month in ad revenue alone. That number scales directly with views. At 200,000 views per month, you are looking at $2,000 to $6,000 monthly just from ads. But here is where the real money comes in. Affiliate marketing. Most AI and software companies offer affiliate programs paying 20 to 40% recurring commissions. That means every subscriber you refer keeps paying you month after month. One well-placed affiliate recommendation in a video that gets 30,000 views can generate hundreds of dollars in recurring monthly income from that single video, permanently. Even after you have moved on to creating new content, add sponsorships to that, and the picture changes even more. Channels in the 10,000 to 50,000 subscriber range regularly charge between $500 and $2,000 per sponsored segment. You do not need millions of subscribers. You need an engaged audience in a valuable niche. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make after they get started. They post for 4 to 6 weeks, see slow growth, and quit. This is the exact wrong move at the exact wrong time. YouTube channels almost always follow a J-curve. Growth is flat or nearly invisible for the first 2 to 4 months. Then one video catches traction, the algorithm starts suggesting it, and the channel begins to compound. Creators who push through that early flat period are the ones who end up with passive income machines 12 months later. The ones who quit are the ones who post on social media about how YouTube does not work. The AI tools exist. The niche opportunity exists. The monetization paths are proven. The only variable left is your consistency. Here is your action plan for this week. Pick your niche today, not tomorrow. Generate 20 video ideas using ChatGPT tonight. Script your first video using the framework we covered. Create your AI voiceover using ElevenLabs, and put together your first video using free footage and free editing tools. Publish it before the week is over. That is it. One video on the board is worth 100 video ideas sitting in a notes app. The people already doing this are not smarter than you. They are not more talented. They just started. If you want to go deeper on the exact tools, prompts, and monetization strategies we use to run channels exactly like this, subscribe right now, because that is exactly what this channel covers every single week. And leave a comment below telling me which niche you are going after. That one step makes it real.